Pani Popo. Samoan rolls. A main dish from Samoa. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Mix 2½ cups of flour and yeast. Step 2. In a saucepan, heat and stir milk, sugar, shortening, margarine, or butter, and salt until warm and shortening almost melts. Add the flour mixture. Beat with an electric mixer on low speed for 30 seconds. Using a spoon, stir in as much remaining flour as you can to make a moderately stiff dough that is smooth and easy to pull. This takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Step 4. Put some Crisco shortening on your hands. This will add moisture to your rolls and make them easier to handle. Shape in a ball and put in a greased bowl. Step 5. Turn it on both sides to grease the whole ball of dough. Cover and let rise in the oven on the top rack and below it in a pan with some hot water for about 45 minutes. The steam from the hot water will help it to rise. Step 6. Punch dough down. 18 balls and cover for 10 minutes while you make the following milk mixture. Mix 2 cans of coconut milk with 1 cup of sugar. Add more sugar if you like it sweeter. In 2 13 by 9 by 2 inch pans, pour in half of the milk mixture in each pan. Put in 9 for 20 minutes or until bread test's done. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.